flat tilt.
Okay. Wow. Use discount code JACOBVIRAL to save when you shop at Sky High Car Audio, Explicit Audio, and others. Links in the description. Thanks for watching and enjoy the video. Hey man, can I come in?
Yeah. How's it going, Jacob?
Great. Could you tell me your name real quick and what's in here?
My name's Brian. I've got two DC XL12s on a Synergy 3.1.
Okay. What is your box tuning and specs, do you know?
Boxes tuned, I think it was like right around 53.
Okay.
So tuned kind of high just for numbers.
Yeah. So it likes in the 50 hertz range?
Yep.
Okay. Do you have a high output alternator?
Nope.
Stock alternator?
Stock everything.
Stock everything. All right. Just an extra battery in the back?
Yep.
Sweet. Did you ever do, what's your meter score on this?
Actually did like 5 runs yesterday at over a 50.
Very nice. Okay.
So I'm pretty happy with that.
Awesome. Congrats. So I can see the back?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Awesome.
Yeah, you're the first one to get a demo of my flat tilt.
Okay. Wow. So what's your port length on this? I know it's probably at, I'd say like 18 to 20 inches around. And does the port come in all the way to
Nope. Flush on the inside.
flush on the inside? Okay. Nice. Pretty impressive for a stock electrical system.
And no deadener.
Yeah. Oh, so you haven't done any cabin work?
The only deadener I got is right here.
Okay. So you worked a little bit on the back, but nothing else?
Yep.
Yep, I see it right there. Yeah, all the way down. Awesome. Thank you very much.
No problem.
Nice to meet you. All right. Yeah, I'd love to hear this. appreciate the demo. Thank you very much. Is there Thank you for watching, everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see y'all in the next one.